As you see, it's snowing. It's not much. It's probably like an inch or two. It's not a good spot. It's behind the tractor. It's not much. It's probably only like an inch or two, if that. But it's supposed to get really hot, and it's supposed to rain, and then it's supposed to get really cold. So I'm just gonna try to get the layer of snow off the top, make it easier once it ices over, that I can actually get out in the morning. So yeah, what I'm gonna do before I start this, I'm gonna have to take the weight off right here. I'll take this piece off, bar. I'm gonna hook up to this, and I'm just gonna tilt it one way and just try to get the majority of it off. So here we go. Running. Let's open the door up. Oh, that's pretty smoky. Amazing, it's not that cold. It's only like 20 degrees. But I guess it's enough, and I haven't started her in 8 days. A couple days ago it was really cold. So I guess it does it. I have to put the weights right in here, and then I'll hook that up, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with all that. So let's see, this is not hooked up. So this is a little bit different from our old system, which is actually right over there. This is the new Frontier system. It's just a cotter pin down here in the bottom, which is really tight. And a big pin up here on the top. I'll show you this a little bit. Show this way. It's a little bit aggravating sometimes, because every now and then the pin does like to go in, and down there, it's just a pain in the ass. But I'm gonna go and make my first pass, and then I'll get back to you. So yeah, I just swivel this off a little bit so when it goes down, I'm gonna pull the snow from over here, it'll pull it over and push it off on that side, so I don't make a big channel in the middle of the driveway. So I'll make my first pass and get back to you guys. Alright, this is gonna be a little bit of a struggle, but I'll do what I can. So I don't know if you can see, kinda can see, but right about there we go. So you can see I made my first pass. I'm gonna have to do this side of the driveway now. You see my blade's tilted towards that side, otherwise I would have tilted the other way, to done this side first and then done the other side. But the way it's tilted is just more efficient. Just try to push it off of the driveway. So I'm running in 7th gear, which is a good gear for doing this kind of plowing. It's light, really light, but it's just enough that I can't go. Here we go. As it pushes down.